Chinese
My
food
God.
is better than Western food.
What? I'm sorry, what did you just say just now?
Send bro, send bro. Send nudes.
Oh, no.
My only friend.
Disgusting.
Am I?
Mayonnaise is right.
There are several hundred problems with this. As an Italian, I can't fucking forgive this.
Yo, Sean.
Me,
Points for Sean cause the pineapple on the side.
What?
On the side. Extra
Oh my
point.
god.
Wait, isn't that the toilet paper I wiped my ass with earlier today?
Shut up, guys. I am the
Imagine cheese sauce, the tomato, the mayonnaise, and the chili, and then the small plate of
Wait,
chili.
what about how many? What about
Oh
how
my
many?
god.
Singaporean food?
What the fuck?
No.
Guys, shut up. This just proves that Malaysia is 100 times better than Singapore.
Yeah,
Bro.
in food. KFC looks normal. It looks very good actually.
McDonald's.
Where's McDonald's?
That's chicken, bro. That's
my-
chicken, bro.
And that's just a really oddly shaped chicken.